Hello everyone, this is Mantosh from Oklahoma State University. I'm in Peace School of Business, and today we have with us Neeta Sindhu. So let's hear from her. So just tell us something about you. What exactly you're doing?
Um, I graduated from Oklahoma State University last May. So I've been working with a consulting firm called Kavi Associates in Chicago ever since, and I'm a business analytics consultant.
Nice. So do you know, to get more insights about what you're doing and how did you do in your college, let me ask you a few questions. So what was your perception of the corporate world when you were in school and now?
Oh, it's very different. Definitely doesn't remain the same because you have this conception that, misconception I can say, that your academic projects is what you're going to be, doing in your corporate world, but it doesn't remain the same. There's a lot of different things because your projects don't begin with you jumping into execution. It's more about planning and, having timelines, following them, and you have many people you have to interact with, your clients, your peers, your colleagues, and everybody else. But in terms of data and in terms of the kind of project that I'm working with, it's more about data integration and some end-to-end solutions. So I have a IT background, so which I'm trying to merge it with the SaaS expertise that I got from OSU. So yeah.
So that means you're making full use of SaaS. That's great. So how different were these real-time projects from the projects which you have done in the school?
So projects that we do in school, we have a goal, right? We know what we're trying to achieve.
Very true.
But when you're working for somebody and you have a client, especially when you're a consultant, the expectation keeps varying to different degrees.
Okay.
So what you have to achieve is not fixed. So it's how you can bend to what you really need is what matters.
Okay, that's really great. So what SaaS tools are you using in your business right now? And what is the percentage of their use?
Most of what we do, we usually write code, SaaS code. So to do that, we use Enterprise Guide. So we write code in Enterprise Guide, and we don't really use process flows, but we just use it to write code and debug and things like that. But otherwise, after I graduated and joined Kavi, I got introduced to SaaS Management Console.
Wow.
So we use that for stored processes, deploying them as web services, and also Web Report Studio, information maps. So we make custom dashboards for our client.
Wow.
So yeah, those are mainly the tools that we use.
Yeah, I mean that's all for now, and thank you, Sindhu, for coming here and give a lot of insight about your what you feel to our students. I mean that will really help us. So you'll be watching more videos on YouTube. Keep watching.
Thank you.
Thank you.